You don't need a massive local GPU or a paid subscription to run an advanced agentic coding setup. By using a simple local proxy server, you can unlock Claude Code functionality for free. We're going to use NVIDIA NIM's free endpoints to power your terminal with massive models at zero cost. Here is how to set it up in less than 5 minutes. As you can see here, I'm currently using NVIDIA NIM to power the backend, while the proxy server runs quietly in the background on port 8082. Let's get it configured. Firstly, you have to go this GitHub repo to see the instruction or just follow my video, then scroll down. First step that we need to do is to install Claude Code. So click on the link over here, then it will navigate to documentation. Copy here for window PowerShell, then launch PowerShell and paste. This will download the necessary files, which are about 200 megabytes. Now we have installed Claude Code successfully that locate in this directory. Go back to the repo and scroll down to step 2. Then copy this command to download and install the UV binary files and paste it into the CMD. By just right-click on it, choose Paste Anyway. It will start download the files. This command is gonna download the Python-specific version, but I don't need it since I have Python 3.13. And if you go to the directory, you will see those binary files are right there. Press Windows R and paste the directory path. Then you can see the execute files with Claude and UV files. You have to make sure add the path into the environment variables so that you can call to use later on in PowerShell or CMD. Next, we will install the proxy server from this repo, and this will grab new files fcc, which stands for free Claude Code. Hit copy button and go to PowerShell to paste back the command. It will download the fcc binary files. Once it's done, as you can see, there are 4 executable files installed in the directory. If we go back the directory, you will see all files right there. We almost done, so the next thing is we need an API key from NVIDIA. Before we get that, I'm gonna start server first. Let's run the command fcc-server, which will start the proxy server. Now the proxy server is started on localhost port 8082, so launch the browser typing with localhost on port 8082, and then you will something missing key like this. But if you navigate with /docs, you'll see the Swagger documentation. We don't need to do anything there. Instead, just head over to /admin to access the main user interface. In the admin UI, you'll see options for different providers. This is where we need an API key. If we scroll down a bit, we can see the input box for the API key for NVIDIA NIM. And then we have model routing over here. Alright, now let's head over to build.nvidia.com. The registration is simple and completely free. Once you're in, check your profile, then you'll see a good rate limit of 40 requests per minute, which is plenty for a coding request. Now click on the API keys menu. You will see a list of your existing keys, but if you are new, we'll see none of them. To get new API key, hit Generate API Key button, give any name you prefer, click on Generate Key. Once you generate it, don't forget to copy the key. It will not allow to see again. Here is the expiry date of API key. Now just hit copy button. Back in our local admin settings, simply paste that NVIDIA key into the input box. If we scroll down to the routing, we can also see the model routing options here, which allow to choose exactly which NVIDIA hosted model will handle the requests. So let's go to the models page, click on the free endpoint to filter and apply. Now all of these are free endpoints to use around 43 models. Here we can search to find the model you prefer. I'm going to search for Mistral model. There are Mistral Large Instruct, Mistral Nemotron that I will check with. If we go to the detail page, it will have a playground for test, which allow us test which one is fastest model response. We can try that. And you can see that this model a bit slow to response. Let's go to test on Mistral Nemotron. It quite responds faster than the previous model. To use this model, click on View Code and we will see the model name. Select and copy the name. Then go to Admin Dashboard. Over here, need provider's name / the model and model's name. So in the box, for segment, we keep the provider name, NVIDIA NIM, Then next segment, Mistralia, Mistral, Nemotron means just paste what we have copied at the moment. And when we click the Apply button, the setting will be stored in this directory. Now click Apply. It starts writing the settings into file. Let's see the file what's contained inside. I'm gonna open with VS Code. Here you can see the API key that we have pasted in. And here we can see the model and other option model as well. You might wonder why we still need to set this token to fcc if we are using NVIDIA keys. It's simple. First, the official Claude Code CLI will refuse to start if it doesn't detect some kind of odd token. And it acts as a password for our local proxy server. The proxy takes this dummy token, strips it away, and replaces it with your real NVIDIA API key before talking to the NVIDIA servers. Alright, the last step we have to modify is the setting file in Claude settings. So then launch File Explorer, then go to C, Users and your username. Then go to .claude folder, which is usually hidden, and open the settings.json file. You might not see something like this since I have modified in previous video how to use Claude Code with Open Router. You might want to check. I'll leave the link down below. In this file, we need the proxy link, so copy the local link server and back to settings, replace the link. Then the token is fcc. Now, here is a pro tip. If you want to change models directly inside Claude Code using the /model command, you need to enable one specific setting for the last key, or click copy all here, Ctrl A, add curly bracket and paste it, then save the file. Okay, we almost done there. Let's try to run the Claude Code by just calling fcc-claude, and it will asking to trust the folder. Just hit enter, and the default it selected Opus 4.7 model. We will call out /model to switch the model, then using your arrow key to select the model correctly. Then now you have free model with 40 requests per minute. And that's it. You're now fully set up with free coding assistant powered by NVIDIA NIM and Claude Code for speeding up your workflow without worrying about subscription costs or high-end hardware requirements. If this guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Cambo tutorial for more deep dives into AI tools and development. If you ran into any issues during the install, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.